Hi guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to stop auto download in WhatsApp. Okay, first thing that you need to do is just open your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. If you don't have any WhatsApp application, just install it or download it from Play Store or App Store. Okay, let's stop the WhatsApp application. And here you will see three dots located at the upper right corner. Just tap this and go to settings. And once you're here, just scroll and go to storage and data. And from here, there are three options under media auto download. Just tap this option when using mobile data and uncheck all these options. Then after that, click OK. And again, another one is when connected on Wi-Fi. Just stop this and uncheck all these options. Then choose OK. And as well as this when roaming. Okay, uncheck. Make sure these options are unchecked. And then click OK. And that's it guys on how to stop auto download in WhatsApp. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you for watching and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.